Hey, this is Mark Woodruff with Woody Creative. I'm going to show you how, with this Highlands Realty Austin.com, how you make an agent page, because I think that's something that you guys will end up doing. So this is one. Don't worry about the two here, but this is one that we've created for Chris. And first of all, I wanted to say, notice the background here. This little nice white background that's on top of a light gray background. Um, You'll also notice it's not in this one. This one sort of floats out there and it doesn't look quite as nice. And the difference is what you have to do is when you're creating, let's see, where is it? We have one that we're creating. This one that we already started creating for Lauren. A lot of times when you create a new page or post or something like you have to go over here and this little drop down, you have to select full width. Otherwise, it ends up with the right sidebar. And if you don't change it, once you save it and once you kind of load this layout for the Divi Builder, you're locked in. You can't change it again. And this one, you do not do that. So you just, when you hit new and select agent, you do not change this drop down on the top. You just start entering the stuff. You'll put in turn on the Divi Builder, enter the name. So that's all we've done so far. I added her photo down here. The rest of the stuff populates. You'll populate it. You'll go find the phone number, find everything. If I don't have both, I'll just put one phone number. You can enter her Facebook page. This stuff up here, you just insert a module. This is to show the text, the kind of the main text. So you just take a text module, and I think we have it saved to our clipboard right now. Her profile that we just copied from her stuff. I'll save that. So I think we've got most of this other stuff in here. I'm not sure what her address is, but if you just start typing Lakeway, whatever, Lakeway Boulevard, it'll dynamically give you, and you can zoom in or out here to however you want it to show. You can also change the title from real estate agent to whatever you want. So I'm going to, and I'll put just a pound sign just so you can see what the Facebook looks like. Before we show a preview, I'm going to show you how you generate this short code. If I can figure out where we left that, it's a Caldera form. So there'll be several of these in here. I've created a couple already. Let's clone this one. We'll clone one that we did for Julie, and just to we'll call them all the same thing: agent, contact form, and now I've forgotten who this one was. Lauren Swan. Okay, let's create that form. It's going to give us basically what it does is give us a custom form over here. So when they fill it out, you can change it too. But I think on hers, it says like we're in Lakeway. They all won't say that, but you can say whatever you want to say. But that lets the form go directly to her. So let's see. Do we want to change anything? It'll say, let us know what you're looking for, how we can help you, whatever you want to make. So I'm going to leave this one as is. I'm going to save it. And I'm going to grab the code, which should be in the form setting. So it's right there. I'll copy that. And then we go back. I got so many windows open. So that's Chris. We don't want to overwrite hers. Here, Lauren. So contact for short code. That's it. So let's see. Tags. This, you might as well do this. I'm not sure. We've got a couple like Texas Hill Country and let's say Texas Coast. These are sort of these regions. And I'm not sure. We'll see. It doesn't hurt, but I'll show you what we're actually going to do. So I'll publish this. But what we're going to do is if you go look at an individual under properties, these are the properties that like our listings. This particular property, on the other side, the way you associate a property with an agent is this. So this looks familiar, just like the agent. Well, the properties also have these kind of features, but you can associate an individual property with an agent here, and you can pick as many as you want. So I don't think that Lauren is in here yet because this hasn't. I won't worry about it. It because we haven't saved her. But let's go ahead and add a bunch of agents. So Stephanie, Philip, um, whatever we want to. Those two are fine. Save it, and then on this at the bottom of this property page, it will list the agents that are relevant to the property, and also at the bottom of let's see, I think we did Phillips at the bottom of the individual agent page. It can dynamically pull those properties for which you have added that person. So I paused it for just a second just to refresh. So you can see Lauren's page. It's pulling in the background like we want. It's not just floating. This is the title at the bottom, the phone number, all that kind of stuff. We had the pound sign, for that. This is the custom form we created just for her, and it's going to. We need to change the phone number. Oh no, I'm sorry. That's just a default. It's giving a default number. That's the stuff we pasted in there. There's the address. We didn't add any dynamic properties. There are no properties here on the back end that are associated with her yet. But we could, if I refresh this, let's just do that real quick. I'll pause it. This page has been refreshed, this Lakeway property. So now it should find, there it is. So it should allow us to add Lauren. So now she'll have at least one property associated with her. All right, so you might remember Lauren before didn't have any properties associated with her, but we went into this particular property and entered her name, so now it dynamically shows up.